Hey guys, today we will be solving a very interesting trigonometry problem. So here is the problem. We want to find the value of cot square pi by 9 plus cot square of 2 pi by 9 plus cot square of 4 pi by 9. So the first thing to do is convert this cot square of 2 pi by 9 into cot square of 7 pi by 9. Very simple. Cot square of 7 pi by 9 you can write as cot square of pi minus 2 pi by 9, which becomes cot square of 2 pi by 9. So cot square 2 pi by 9 and cot square 7 pi by 9 can be used interchangeably. Okay, yeah. So next thing, now this is the most important part of the solution. Let us say tan of 3 theta is root 3. So for this, the possible solution is theta equal to pi by 9, and also if you try and put 7 pi by 9 and 4 pi by 9 into your theta, you will see that this equation is satisfied. The next step is to convert this tan 3 theta into expanded form, which is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. RHS will remain same. Next step, assume tan theta to be y. So very easy, just rewrite the equation by substituting tan theta as y. So y equal to tan theta. We get this equation. Now, what is the solution of this equation? The solution for this equation, this tan theta 1, was theta equal to pi by 9, 7 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9. So the equation is same, we have not made any changes in it. So if we just put tan of theta over here, tan of theta, then we will take tan over the right hand side as well. So tan of theta will become y, since y is tan of theta, and tan of pi by 9, tan of 7 pi by 9, tan of 4 pi by 9. We have taken tan on both sides, right? So the point is, for y, so the solution of this equation is now y equal to this and this. All right, okay. So the next step is another substitution, y equal to 1 upon x. Another substitution, y equal to 1 upon x. So it is a very simple substitution. We will just convert this equation, this y equation, into this 1 by x equation. Okay, it's very easy. Now your y was could be tan pi by 9, tan of 7 pi by 9, tan of 4 pi by 9. Now what happens? X is 1 by y, so all the tan of the thetas, they get inversed, right? So 1 upon y is cot pi by 9, cot 7 pi by 9, cot 4 pi by 9, right? So this x equal to these three things is the solution for this equation. Now simplify this equation, simplify it again, and simplify it more. You get this is the cubic equation. This is what you get. Finally you get a cubic equation which has roots these three are the roots of this cubic equation. So I will write them as x1, x2, x3. So x1 is cot pi by 9, x2 is cot 7 pi by 9, x3 is cot 4 pi by 9. Now what was our initial aim? Initial aim was to find cot square pi by 9 plus cot square 2 pi by 9 plus cot square 4 pi by 9. Now this will remain same, this is same, I already showed you that cot square 2 pi by 9 is same as cot square 7 pi by 9. And if you see, cot square pi by 9 means x1 square, cot square 7 pi by 9 means x2 square, cot square of 4 pi by 9 means x3 square. So this is just summation of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square. Now this you can look it up online. There is an expansion for this, x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square. It becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole square minus of 2 into x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1. Now you will be wondering, how do I solve this? Now you can actually solve this. X1 plus x2 plus x3, there is a way of finding it. This is basically sum of roots, right? This is sum of roots, sum of all roots. You can find this out from the cubic equation. You know, apply the formula for sum of all the roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma, and from this you will get x1, you will get the answer sum of all roots as 3 by root 3. Okay, and I put it in the equation. Okay, similarly from this cubic equation, you can take product of roots 2 at a time and then sum of product of 2 roots at a time. That is nothing but x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1. That you can find from here. That is nothing but minus 3 into root 3 upon root 3. That also I have put into the equation. So this is what this equation then converts into this equation. This is nothing but this root 3 will cancel and this will become root 3. Then root 3 square will become 3. Minus minus plus 2 into 3 becomes 6. Root 3 cancel. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So our final answer for cot square pi by 9 plus cot square 2 pi by 9 plus cot square 4 pi by 9 is 9.